So the accused in the Pune rape incident, who was detained by a team of the Pune crime branch from a village in Shirur, Tehsil of Pune district, has now formally been arrested. The DCP has spoken about the same, saying the accused, Dattatreya Ramdas, has been formally arrested. So almost 48 hours after the horrific incident in Pune, the main accused has been arrested, and we've accessed the details of how he was arrested. The police officials knew that the accused was hiding in a farm in Pune, and sources say that the police officials had scanned the farm after a tip-off. So they received a tip-off based on which they conducted searches, and the search operations were conducted with the sniffer dogs. These are the visuals that you're seeing on the screens. The accused, after committing the heinous crime, after the rape of the girl, was hiding in this farm, and the police officials received a tip-off, after which they managed to arrest him. My colleague Richa is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Richa, massive manhunt had been launched by the police officials. Almost 13 teams had been deployed into the same. He was finally arrested. What are the details of how he was arrested and what next?
Well, the police team had got a call from Shirur, which is a rural part of Pune. They received a tip about someone saw him, as the Pune police had already shared Dattatreya Gade's picture on all social media platforms. Even they had given 1 lakh rupees of award on this person, whoever will get him caught. And following that, the Pune police had received a call from Shirur, and they immediately moved to the location, and the accused, Dattatreya Gade, was found at the sugarcane farm in the rural areas of Pune, and he was arrested midnight. Now he will be taken to the police station and for the further investigation. And this person, the Dattatreya Gade, has 6 criminal records already. He was on bail since 2019 for the previous crimes that he has been part of, and now this rape case had come ahead. It's been almost 48 hours since the report was first filed. The victim herself had gone to the police station to report the rape, and after the investigation, there were about 13 teams working on this, from Swargate police to the DCP zone. There were 13 teams working on finding this man, and he has finally been arrested. Now the further investigation will take place, and it will be understood what he exactly did, and how he managed to get her in the bus while she had reported whatever the incident happened. It will also be cross-verified by the statement of this accused, Dattatreya Gade. He is now being prosecuted, and the further investigation is currently going on. And after 48 hours, the Pune police have finally managed to arrest Dattatreya Gade.
Okay, all right. So he has finally been arrested, and the police officials will now investigate on the same. Remember, the police officials have also now deployed more security at the Swargate bus depot where the unfortunate incident took place. Richa, thank you for joining us with those details.